Hi everyone, it's Dr. Libby, and today we're going to be talking about halitosis, which is another word for bad breath. Nobody likes to talk about it, but it is there and we need to know why it's there and how to get rid of it. Halitosis can happen for a number of reasons. For example, having dental caries, so having cavities in your mouth can cause a bad smell in your mouth. Having an infection in your mouth definitely can cause a bad smell in your mouth. Even gum disease can cause a bad smell in your mouth. But moving on from the causes in your mouth, there might also be other causes such as your gut producing a bad smell which comes up to your mouth. So what do you do if you have a bad smell in your mouth? Well, there's lots of things you can do. The first thing is to find the cause. So if the cause is that you have a hole in your tooth, get the hole fixed. If you have an infection, get rid of the infection. And if there's something going on with your gut, please get it sorted. See a gastrointestinal specialist. Now, if you've addressed these things, but you've still got a little bit of a smell in your mouth, it might not be very strong. The main things you can do to avoid it are to floss really well to make sure there's no plaque or bacteria stuck in between your teeth. You can use a mouthwash, but do not use mouthwash immediately after brushing. It takes away all the good things that toothpaste does to your teeth and replaces them with something less strong in terms of strengthening our teeth. But you can use mouthwash at different times of the day, and you can also use a tongue scraper. Tongue scrapers come in different forms. This is a pretty cool one. It's got a brush on one side and then it's got a scraper on the other. So all you have to do is to scrub your tongue with it a little bit and then to scrape off the bacteria off your tongue. And that can help a lot with bad breath as well. Bad breath is sometimes that you don't recognize yourself. It might be somebody else that tells you about it. It is a bit embarrassing and it's really important. So you could ask somebody that you trust, or you can do what Mr. Bean is doing over here, breathe into your hands a little bit. I think when we were wearing masks, everybody became a lot more aware about their breath. But the main thing is that you identify if there's anything going on behind the scenes that could be making your breath smell. And if there isn't, just doing those extra cleaning techniques like flossing in between your teeth really well. You can also use a water flosser, and using a tongue scraper is just another way of making sure that your breath is nice and fresh. You can also use chewing gums. Chewing gums are great for freshening your breath and to remove any bad tastes in your mouth as well if you've had some smelly food like garlic. But yeah, just be open to trying lots of new things. There's always lots of ways to clean your mouth, and hopefully you'll have really nice, fresh, minty breath and you'll be able to feel confident with your smile.